Good afternoon all. I, Dr. Rana Jadhav, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, IPS Academy. Today, we'll study about pH meter and we'll take a practical on which is based on the pH meter, like to determine the strength of unknown NaOH solution using pH meter. Before using the pH meter or before going on the instrument, first of all we should know what is pH meter. So, basically the history of pH meter. First of all, the pH meter commercially was built around 1936 by Radiometer in Denmark and by Alvid Beckmann in the United States. What is the origin of pH? Basically, what is the concept of pH? pH is based on the number of hydrogen ion determination to determine acidity and alkalinity of a solution. Now, what is acidity? The presence of H positive ion in any solution make it acidic, and the presence of OH ion in any solution make it alkaline. So, the number of hydrogen ion in the water is 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. We will take the logarithm of H positive concentration ion, it is equal to log 10 to the power minus 7, that is minus 7. But we cannot take negative logarithm. So, the negative logarithm of H positive concentration is equal to minus log 10 to the power minus 7. So, minus and minus become plus. So, the pH will be 7, and this equation was given by Cyril P.L. Solomon son in 1869 to 1939. So, basically what is the pH denote? It is the power of hydrogen ion, and all the thing in pH meter is based upon the pH scale, which shows the range of acidity, alkalinity and the neutral solution. Now, first of all, what is pH? So, basically a pH meter is an electronic instrument used to measure the pH, that is acidity or alkalinity of any liquid, through special probes are sometimes used to measure the pH of semi-solid substance also. So, a typical pH meter consists of a special measuring probes, matlab the electrodes which is used to measure the pH. A glass electrode and a reference electrode is connected to an electric meter that measure and displays the reading. So, what is the work of pH? What is pH? pH is a measure of activity of hydrogen ion in a solution. The pH value states the degree of hydrogen ion activity in a solution. Therefore, it is used for the determination if the solution is acidic or basic. It can also express as the degree of acidity of a solution. Now, the letter pH are used to represent the value of hydrogen ion activity, where P is from the mathematical symbol of a negative logarithm, which is known as power, and H is the chemical symbol of hydrogen. Therefore, pH can be described as the power of hydrogen ion. Electronic device used to measure hydrogen ion activity in the solution. Fundamentally, we can say that a pH meter is consists of the voltmeter, which is attached to the glass electrode and a reference electrode. Glass electron is weighing electron which differs the reading, and the reference electron is unvarying electron, due to which presentation there will be no change in the reading. The pH electron is usually a glass and a reference electron is usually mercurous chloride, which is also known as calomel electron, and sometimes we use silver chloride electron also. When the two electrons are immersed in a solution, they act as a battery. And when the glass electrode develop an electric potential, that is charge. What is the electric potential? Electric potential is a charge. When the two electrodes are immersed in a solution, they will act as a battery, and when they will become a battery, then they will generate an electron potential, that is a charge that is directly related to the hydrogen ion activity in a solution. And this activity of the hydrogen ion is being measured by the voltmeter, and the potential difference generated between the two electrons are shown on the display. Now, the main thing, what is pH scale? So, pH is a measure on a scale of 0 to 14. A pH value between 0 to 6 indicate the solution is acidic. The value 7 states the solution is neutral, and the value between 8 to 14 states that the solution is basic or alkaline. So, with the example 0 to 6 acidic state, example are HCl vinegar solution, 7 its state will be neutral. For example, water, this pH with 8 to 14, the solution will be basic like NaOH and ammonia. So, the pH value of the solution is directly related to the ratio between the hydrogen ion concentration and the hydroxide ion concentration. If it is acidic, then it is going to show the hydrogen ion concentration, and if it is basic, then it is going to show the hydroxide ion concentration in the solution. Now, what is the principle on which this pH meter is based? So, basically pH is defined as the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration, that is pH is equal to minus log K positive. This is the formula on which this pH meter is based, that is pH is equal to minus log H positive, where P is the power, H is the hydrogen and H positive is the hydrogen ion concentration. So, the pH of the solution can be measured by the pH meter. The glass electrode is a half cell and the Calmer electron is another half cell, and when both these half cell combine together, they generate the electron potential and they behave like a battery, and they start current. So, when the current flow, then the pH is being displayed on the display meter. So, if the concentration of H positive ion is less than 7, then the hydrogen ion is more, then the solution will be acidic. If the ratio is more than 7, then it will be alkaline. In that case, hydroxyl ion concentration will be more, and if the concentration of hydrogen ion and the hydroxyl ion are equal, then the solution is neutral and has pH of 7. So, condition will be H positive greater than OH negative ion, then the solution is acidic in nature. If the condition is reversed, then it is basic and the concentration of H positive become equal to the concentration of OH negative ion, then the solution become neutral and it is going to have the pH of 7.